And I have a secret to tell you. This store right here, just opened now on Monday. It's a seed store, seeds that you plant. The oldest store in the city, beautiful one. And this is the door. You go in, turn to your left side. They have a small office, really old office. They have just give them your dollars, and they will give you euros. No taxes, no fees, nothing. A lot of people ask us when and where you can exchange money, because a lot of people have their dollars and want to exchange for euros. Also, I told some of you yesterday that we have in São Miguel Island tea plantation. They sell also our tea right here. Both. The ones that are open. Now it's not. They will be both open. This one and the smallest one.
We went in there the other day.
It's a beautiful store.